Imagine a world where your money isn't locked away in a bank, where you don't need a middleman to tell you what to do with your hard-earned cash, where transactions happen at the speed of light and you're in full control, no questions asked. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Now, let me tell you why you're about to kick yourself if you don't understand what crypto is. Because the future of money is here, and it's digital. Stick with me, and you'll soon understand why crypto is not just a passing trend. This is about to blow your mind. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's not some kind of secret tech jargon. It's not as complicated as you might think. In the simplest terms, cryptocurrency is digital money. Yes, digital, meaning it's not physical like your coins or paper bills. It exists in the digital space. But don't let that fool you. It holds real value. Think of it like cash, but with a twist. Instead of using physical notes to make payments, you're using cryptographic techniques to validate transactions. It's encrypted, it's decentralized, and it's here to change the way we think about money. Welcome to the future, my friend. But here's the thing, crypto isn't just magic internet money. It's money that works a lot differently from the stuff in your wallet. In fact, it works on something called blockchain technology. Ever heard of it? If not, buckle up. Decentralization. No more middlemen. Let's talk about decentralization. What does that mean? Simple. It means no middlemen. That's right. No banks, no credit card companies, no government entities. You, and only you, are in control of your transactions. In the world of traditional money, you have to rely on banks or financial institutions to send or receive payments. But what if I told you there's a way to send money across the world in seconds, directly to another person, without needing a bank? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the beauty of decentralization. With crypto, there's no need for an intermediary to approve or process your transaction. It's peer-to-peer, which means you and I can exchange value directly, without someone in the middle taking a cut. Blockchain, the magic behind it all. Now let's dive into the magic sauce, blockchain technology. This is the engine that powers crypto. Imagine a giant digital ledger, like a public notebook. But instead of being written by one person, it's constantly updated by thousands of people all over the world. Every time a transaction happens, it gets recorded on this ledger and verified by multiple computers. This process is what keeps the whole system secure and transparent. Blockchain is like a fortress, and the transactions? They're the bricks. Once a brick is laid, it's practically impossible to remove or tamper with. That's why when you send Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, it's final. It's secure, and it's almost impossible to fake or reverse.
Bitcoin, the pioneer.
Now, Bitcoin, let's talk about the big one. It's the pioneer, the first cryptocurrency ever created, and the most famous one. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person, or group of people, under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The goal? To create a currency that doesn't need a central authority and that could operate on the internet. What Bitcoin did differently was introduce the idea of a fixed supply, which means there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. No more, no less. This scarcity makes it different from traditional money, which can be printed endlessly by governments. How crypto differs from traditional currencies. Now I know what you're thinking. Why does this matter? Why should I care? Great question. Traditional currencies, like the US dollar or the euro, are controlled by central banks and governments. They can print more money whenever they want, which over time leads to inflation. That's why your coffee today costs way more than it did 20 years ago. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can't be inflated at will. The supply is fixed or controlled through algorithms. It's a more predictable and often more secure form of money. Crypto offers an alternative to the old financial system. You can store it, send it, or trade it without relying on any government or institution to back it. The key advantages of crypto. You might be wondering, why should I choose cryptocurrency over traditional money? Here are the key reasons. Security. Every transaction is encrypted and verified. Forget the days of bank hacks and fraud. Your money is more secure than ever before. Lower fees. Traditional banks charge fees for international transfers, credit card payments, and more. Crypto transactions? Generally much cheaper. Send money across the globe without paying sky-high fees. Speed. Crypto transactions can take seconds or minutes. Traditional banking can take hours, days, or even weeks for cross-border payments. Crypto doesn't sleep. Global access. Crypto doesn't care where you're from or which country you're in. All you need is an internet connection. Whether you're in New York or Nairobi, crypto can reach you. The future of crypto. Now, let's talk about the future. Where is all this heading? Is cryptocurrency just a fad? I can assure you it's not. More businesses are accepting crypto, from tech giants like Tesla to everyday shops. Governments are even starting to explore the idea of digital currencies. This is just the beginning. Crypto is transforming industries, from finance to healthcare to entertainment. In the future, you might pay for your morning coffee with Bitcoin, or use smart contracts to handle your rent payments. The possibilities are endless. Closing thought. So what's the takeaway from all this?
Crypto isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolution.
It's redefining money, banking, and the way we interact with the world financially. And if you're not paying attention now, you'll probably regret it in the near future. But don't worry. If you stick with me, you'll stay ahead of the curve and be one of the early adopters in this new financial era.